Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the Slack working space URL. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the simplest way is to simply go to your working space title and from there you will start like getting the URL of your working space. So either we can go from here and from this icon and basically you can already find this URL and you can copy it or do whatever you would like and you will be able to start like connecting to your working space. Now, the second way to have or to get your URL, you will be needing just to click again on the title and from here you will find this URL and then you can click on it and you can just simply uh, copy paste this URL. Also, you can edit it and you can click on save and you will have your new URL that is like that. So as you can see, you can also start like customizing your URL. My workspace, and basically I'm just going to click on Slack and basically we need just to choose anything that hasn't been chosen and click on save and that's it. Now, if you go also to the slack.com, you will be able to find like your the URL or your working spaces. And when you click launch, you will see that it will be asking you for the URL for your working space. And from there, you can also copy it and get the URL for your working space. So I'm just going to click on Slack or open on Slack. And basically, those are like the different way on how you can get your working space URL. And basically, that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.